So today I will explain accounting for partnership, that is manager commission on net profits. Okay, this is a very important topic in class 12. Okay, for class 12 commerce student. Okay, accounting for partnership firm, that is manager commission on net profit. It is a very okay uh, important topic as per the syllabus. So manager commission on net profit, how we have to calculate manager commission. Okay, if the net profit is given, on that we have to find out the manager commission. Okay, as per the question we have to know to if it is, there are two conditions. Okay, we have to find out manager commission. The first one is on profits before charging such commission. Okay student, if in the question it is said that you have to find out the manager commission on net profits, at that time you have to know in the question whether it is mentioned on profits before charging such commission. If it is before charging, that means you have to write down. Okay, I will show you. Okay, we just see here. Suppose, okay, example, if there is profit. Okay, if there is a profit of rupees 22,000, suppose. Okay, it is an example. Suppose if there is in the firm there is a profit of 22,000, that means if you want to calculate manager commission as per this condition, that is on profits before charging such commission, if it is said in the question that before charging such commission, in that time you have to calculate like this. You have to see. Okay, you have to write down the profits. Okay, profits into the rate. Okay, before charging such commission, if there is a rate, okay, manager commission is there. Suppose example, okay, here it is 10%, suppose. Okay, manager commission is 10%. Okay, the net profit is 22,000. You have to calculate manager commission on net profits before charging such commission, that is rate is 10%. So we have to write down on profit before charging such commission, you have to write down profits into rate. Okay, rate divided by 100, means rate means 100, that's all. Okay, you can see profit is here in this question, it is example 22,000 into rate, that is 10 by 100. It is 10. Okay, 10% means 100, 10 by 100. It is okay. If you calculate on this, you will get how much? You will get 2200. If you, okay, multiply with this. Okay, if you cancel these things, okay, you will get 2200 as manager's commission. That is the amount of manager's commission. This is the amount of manager commission. So it is a very simple way. You see, first condition, okay, on profit before, it is asked. Suppose if it is asked in the question, okay, on profit before charging such commission, then directly you have to take profit is there and the rate is mentioned in the question. You have to see the question. Okay, whether there is 5%, 10%, whatever it may be, you have to find out as per the rate. Okay, net profit is how much? 20,000, and the rate is 10%. Just I have written 100, that is the rate. Okay, rate means 10% means 10 by 100, and if you calculate these things, you will get manager's commission before, okay, before charging such commission on these conditions. And the next condition is on profits after charging such commission. If it is said in the question, okay, after charging on net profits after charging such commission, so in this way you have to calculate. Suppose example, okay, example is same. Profit is, if there is a profit of is 22,000. Here also same profit, okay. Suppose the condition applied, okay. In the question it is said 20,000. That means in that time the rate is manager commission rate is 10%. They also have taken 10%. Suppose example, okay. This is an example. You can note down, okay. This is an example. So you have to write down profits into, okay. You have to write down rate, okay, that is rate divided by, that is rate plus 100, okay. Rate means here 10, yes or no. Just for your understanding I have written these things, so you have to understand this. Profit is 22,000 into rate means here 10 divided by rate is 10 plus 100, okay. For your understanding I have written like this. You have to understand these things, okay. For your understanding, if it is after charging, that means we have to take 22,000 into, directly you can write down 10 by 110, but I have not shown these things. I have shown you the system, okay, procedure, how you have to write down, because there are students who don't understand. That is why I have written rate divided by rate plus 100. That means rate is 10 plus 100 means percentage. So if it is after charging, you have to write down, okay, 10 by 110. If you calculate, you will find 2,000, okay. If you calculate these things, okay, if you cut it down, okay, 11 1 is 11, 11 2 is 22. That means you will get 2,000 as managers commission, okay. This is the amount of manager commission. So this is how you can calculate manager commission if the condition applied on profit before charging such commission, if it is said in the question, okay. You have to calculate like this directly, okay. 22,000 profits into rate, that is 10% only. It is very easy, and this condition you have to wait first, okay. If it is after, that means rate divided by 110 means 110 means rate plus 100, that is the percentage, okay. Very simple to understand. I hope you have understood these things. So hope you like the videos, and send your comments, okay, so that how you like this video. So thank you for student, okay. Thank you all.